Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to make savory waffles. For that we need 1.5 cup flour, half a carrot, half onion, 1 green chilli, half tomato, 1 tin of tuna with sunflower oil, half teaspoon chili flakes and little coriander leaves, and 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon baking soda, 1 cup milk, 3 tablespoons melted butter, 1 egg, and as per your taste salt. In a pan, add little sunflower oil. Add onion, carrot, green chilli, and the tomatoes. Add chili flakes and coriander leaves. Add little salt. And saute. Mix all the dry ingredients together: flour, sugar, baking powder and baking soda. Mix well. Also mix all the wet ingredients together: milk, melted butter and egg. Mix well. Mix both mixture together. Mix well without lumps. Now add vegetables. And tuna with oil. You can use half tin tuna as well. Instead of tuna, you can use salmon plus little oil. Mix well. Add some salt. Cover and keep half an hour.
Apply some butter on your waffle maker.
Pour batter into your waffle maker and cook until it becomes golden brown. Now savory waffle is ready. You can have with any dish.